Error in Python. Free, invalid pointer, 0x00007fc3c90dc98e. Got this error on an Ubuntu server, 100 GB RAM, in Anaconda's Pi 3.6 installation after it opened multiple files this way in a for loop, 7 files 4 GB. temp_df equals pt.read_csv data folder plus SDR file, encoding equals ISO 8859-1, delimiter equals semicolon comma low underscore memory equals false. This is the error, it appeared after I said low underscore memory equals false. Doesn't happen when low underscore memory equals true. Error in Python. Free, invalid pointer, 0x00007fc3c90dc98e. Anyone ideas? Thanks.
This issue is caused due to multiple threads performed parallelly when opening a file. This causes sometimes segmentation fault as well. As you said, your file consists of 4 GB each, so multiple threads which are executed parallelly to read up your file is causing the issue.